Hi. Hey, before you know it, summer's going to be here. And that's why I'm starting to work on my tan now. Now, I don't lay out in the sun or anything, so I use the self tanning. I'm going to start my tan with this that I just recently purchased. It's called B-Tan. And I also purchased the hand applicator. Now, you don't have to get the hand applicator, but I don't like getting it all over my hands, so I thought I would try this. So I'm going to try that. I'm going to put this on and see how it does within 1 hour. Before I start any type of tanning, I make sure I exfoliate. And this year I'm using this Brooklyn Baudet, and I may be saying that wrong, but this comes in several different types of fragrances. Yeah, and I picked Sweet Orange Scrub. Let me tell you, it smells just like dreamsicles. Oh, so this did a great job on my legs, especially, when you're first doing your first round of tanning after the winter and your legs are still kind of dry and you have a lot of that dead skin. This is a great way to get rid of it. But this is gentle enough that I can use on my face as well. So you can definitely see a color difference in my legs, and this has just only been 1 hour. So it continuously gets darker, and I'm going to add another coat on. I like the color that it is showing, and I don't have that orangey fake look going on here. I like the results that I just got in just that little bit of time on my legs, and I'm looking forward to using it on the rest of my body, including my face. And I think this will help me with my tan for this summer. And that's just my honest opinion.